Boy, the waves are sure rough. Hello, I'm Danielle, the author and illustrator of Moose Mischief, a pancake surprise. And on the Moose Mischief channel, I teach you about our amazing world through art, science, and craft projects. Today, we're gonna make sailboats. I think it's ready for the high seas. Here's what you need: a ruler, craft sticks, a pencil, scrapbook paper. I did a sea theme, so I picked anchors and crab for mine. Glue, cork, and outdoor adhesive glue, so when you put your boat in the water, it doesn't fall apart. You will also need scissors. Today, I will make 2 sailboats. The first step is to grab your scrapbook paper, flip it upside down, and draw a triangle. Make sure you draw your sail on the left side of the paper so you have room to draw another one on the right side. Place the ruler onto the paper and measure out 5 inches. Then we will find the center of our line, which is 2.5 inches, and make a mark. Place the ruler right onto that mark and measure out 5 inches. Now you will connect the 2 lines, so you have a triangle, which is also the sail of your boat. Now you will cut it out. Since I'm making 2 sails, I layered the paper so that I only had to draw the sail once. They look so cute. I love the crabs. Set your sails aside and select 10 pieces of cork, the craft stick, and some glue. Take the craft stick and 2 pieces of cork and glue them together like this. This will become the center of your boat. Now we will glue 2 more pieces of cork to our boat. Then we will put 2 more on the other side. Go ahead and glue together the remaining pieces of cork. Set it aside to dry. If you would like 2 boats, follow the steps that we just did. Now that your boats are dry, let's glue on the sails. Let's glue down the other side of our sail. So match it up as best you can and then press down so that it's nice and even. There it is. I think that looks really good. What a beautiful sail. Now let's do the other boat. So line it up the best you can and press it down. Should we go test them out? Let's find out if our boat is seaworthy. Here we go. It floats! Yay! Oh, what fun! Now you can take your boat and see if it floats in the pond or a river. But it's also fun just to play with it in a bowl. I had so much fun making these sailboats with you. If you had fun too, like the video below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to see your sailboats, so please take a picture of them and post it to Facebook or Instagram, hashtag it Moose Mischief. And please check out my book, Moose Mischief, a pancake surprise. In the book, the moose claims he's the best chef in Alaska. But is that simply ridiculous? Buy the book to find out.